Like, don't just say you want to be a millionaire. In order to be a millionaire, you have to get the education and the knowledge to push yourself to make those things happen with movement, not your mouth. Not your mouth. What's going on today, people? Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam with the Ghetto Man. I'm gonna make this video quick. Let me tell y'all something, right? Nothing with value comes into this world. You hear me? Nothing. Pardon me, move my phone. Nothing with value comes into this world without some pain. You're gonna go through some pain. You're gonna feel some pain. Get used to it. Get used to it. We gonna make a nun get naked regardless. They say, oh, yo, bam, yo, the stock market is gonna crash. Yo, should I? Yeah, invest. Yo, it's gonna come down, invest. Yo, things ain't working out. Keep going. Keep pushing. My business is not coming to where I want it to be. Keep working. You gonna go through some pain. That's just that. It's part of God. It's part of life. You win some, you lose some. But you live and you learn. You treat every L as a lesson. Every L is a lesson. Every win is a lesson. It takes time to build anything. Because my thing is, do you really believe? Do you really believe? Do you really believe you're going to become a billionaire? Like right now, I'm in a 40 million club, right? I'm in a 40 million club. I don't have 40 million. I'm in the club. I'm there. I'm mentally there. You become what you think about. You have to really believe and put the faith in God's hands and let him work. And you work. Don't just say you want to be a millionaire. It don't work like that. It don't. Control your emotions. Fall back. When good news come out, you let it digest. It's laws of nature. If you jump out of an airplane, if you jump out of a plane, a jet, and you don't got on a parachute, what's going to happen? It's laws of nature. Understand why you enter a trade. Understand your thesis and your strategy. That has nothing to do with emotions. Don't let what's going on make you stop doing what you do to build for you and your future, your foundation. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam with the Ghetto Man.